Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the role of government in providing public facilities. Government plays very important role, and it takes care of its citizen, and it provides the facility of electricity, the facility of water, the facility of food, and also it provides facility of urea dipotash to the farmers for doing agriculture. Many facilities are there in the hand of government, but the most important is the water supply, electricity supply, and food supply. Today we are going to discuss the next topic about Chennai. Water supply to Chennai, is it available to all? As in previous lecture we have discussed about it. In Chennai, the area which are near to the storage of water or the resources of water, they are getting sufficient amount of water, but the area which are far from the source of water, they are getting less water, and also there are people who are purchasing drinking water bottles from the water purifiers. They supply water for drinking. In Chennai, the people, the middle class people and the poor people are most in problem. They are suffering from the water shortage, but the people who are rich, they can purchase water tank, and also they can purchase water bottles for their drinking purpose. But most suffering people are the middle class people and the poor people. Second topic which we are going to discuss, it is in search of alternatives. In summer season, in many parts of our country, in India, there is a shortage of water supply. In Maharashtra, in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, and Rajasthan. In many areas, people suffer from shortage of water, and a municipality supply do not fulfill the requirement of the people. In this way, the public facility of water by the government is failed, and some people says that the water supply should be given in the private hand and they will supply water properly. But think here, when private companies works, they think only for profit. When we purchase water bottle from the purifier, they always take money on time, and they, after taking money, they supply water. And supplying water is not easy by private companies because they works only for profit. One case was there in Bolivia. It is known as water war of Bolivia. The government of Bolivia had given the responsibility of water supply to the MNC, and they were charging high prices from the citizen of the Bolivia, and the people of Bolivia, they started movement in the opposition of the water supply by MNC, and at last the government had taken in her hand the supply of water facility. In this way, people can take or store water, rainwater, for their future use by taking care of rainwater harvesting system. In this way, public facility is very essential, like because it fulfills the basic requirement of the people, and water is very important for all. That is why it should be under the government. That is, then only government can supply water properly. In many cities like Mumbai, where water is supplied by pipeline, the Maharashtra government store water, rainwater in some large area, and after purifying that water, it supplies to the big cities and also in Mumbai, and in some part of Chennai also government has taken a step. They made a strict rule for rainwater harvesting, that every household should store rainwater for their future use. Many other part of India where shortage of water is there, they are also following the rainwater harvesting system to store water.